Hey guys, it's Marco here. We're gonna do some plasma cutting today. So let me turn you around. This is the EIS sub panel. So that's the engine instrument sub panel that I designed, and we're gonna have to cut it, just the aluminum side, and that is actually what we are going to cut. That is going, might as well show you, as JT's back in the house, just show you where that panel will eventually end up. Sorry for the shakiness. So that is the panel right there, and we are just going to go cut it right now. I'm gonna have to move all the way back this way. The other side is blocked. So I got the plasma cutter already set up. You can see that old mess. I post-processed the file. You should be able to see that's what the cut's supposed to be. I've done it with a marker, so you can kind of see it a little bit right there. So that's what it's supposed to be. Now I plasma cut some dots there, some little tiny holes. That's where the screws are going to be, so I'm going to have to drill those by hand. But now we're going to hit the cycle start button and our plasma cutter all the way there should start cutting. So let me put some glasses on, some sunglasses on. All right. Let's see. Cycle start. Off it goes. Like that, we are done. Now there's gonna be some cleanup that needs to be done. The torch is cooling down right now. It's gonna stop in a second. And then we'll take it out and see what it looks like. There we go. This is probably still a little bit on the, yeah, it's a little warm, but not too bad. So let's see what we got. Hopefully the cut went right through. Well, looks like we're gonna need to run the outer perimeter again. There's still a few spots that haven't completely cut off, but we're gonna rerun the perimeter and then we take a look and see what it looks like. I just went over it off camera one more time, and there it is as it came off the plasma cutter. There's some cleanup, obviously, and I'll show it to you once it's cleaned up. Yeah, so I cleaned it up a little bit, and it's looking much better. There's still a little bit of work. All these holes are good. This I'm gonna have to finalize it later because I don't have the part that goes in here yet. Same with this too, but everything else it came out pretty well. And I'm gonna put a few components I have on hand here on, and we'll see how that looks. All right, so I put everything I had together. Still missing a few parts, but this is what we got so far. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. I think I'm pretty happy. I think it's looking decent there. So those USB ports over there, they're going to be PFD, MFD, and that one is going to be the dedicated port for the EIS. Just for that only, not for power. It's going to be 2 lights down the bottom eventually. but I don't have them right now, so we are going to wait to finish that up. But I'll say so far so good. It's coming out real well. I'm very pleased. Yeah, so thanks for checking out the video. I hope you like the progress that I'm slowly making on ZT, and until the next time, I'll see you later. Ciao.